Hello, everyone. The website that I chose to analyze is the Georgia Public Broadcasting website. The overall impression of this website is that it's easy to read, the information is trustworthy, and I believe that this website is inviting. The size of the photography and the different fonts with each article makes me want to look to see what this article is talking about. And the way the information is aligned with the color scheme of this website makes it inviting to me and shows me that this is a professional organization. When I consider the contrast of this site, two items stand out for me. The first site is right at the top, which is the Apple News announcement that has a hot pink filling and it has white font, so that draws my attention to it. Also, the Listen Live and the Watch Live with the red fill and the white font, that draws my eye as well. The repetition points are on the side here, and it's the GPB HD Watch Live, the GPB Radio Listen Live, and the GPB Classical Listen Live. And the alignment occurs in several places on this site. Down at the bottom, you have the GPB Passport. Um, all of the images are aligned and they're polished and organized. Also up here at top stories, which is right here, it shows where the pictures are aligned with the title and the description of the post. Um, Proximity occurs in the passport section um, where it shows you where it has a blue background filled with images that you really cannot see. The images serve as white spaces around the GPB passport. The typography is used on this site to create contrast, and it shows here at the top. Um, where the majority of the website is sans serif font, and the hierarchy guides the eye to post along the different broad script used for the titles. Also, there are two similar fonts used to draw your eye, and the leading with the post make the description easy to read. I also like the colors of this website. They appear to be professional. The site is clean to me. There is a neutral light gray background. Then you have the blue that is calming. The purple grabs your attention. The white, it is an accent color for you, and the black here it makes it look modern. Um, the primary and secondary navigation at the top here, it makes it easy to find categories. And one thing that I've noticed that everything is within 2 clicks. Um, and then when you click on the GPB logo, no matter what page you're on, it automatically bring you back to the home page. And finally, although the website changed daily, one thing I've noticed is the format stays the same, the alignment stays the same, things are accessible, and the information and the content is reliable.